What's the word, YouTube? It's your boy MGM, man. Hope y'all having a blessed morning. I know I am, man. I am. I woke up feeling way better than yesterday. Can't complain, man, for real. Like, look. We got a security guard that was arrested and charged, you know. Can't say too much. Before we get into this video, man, make sure y'all tap that like button. Drop a comment down below. Let me know y'all here. And subscribe if you want to. Let's roll the clip, gang.
Get the fuck on your back. Come here, get the fuck on your stomach. Don't move! Don't move! You move, I shoot you!
Damn.
Shots fired! Officer needs help!
Shoppers browsing for costumes and spooky decorations are shocked when a deadly shooting erupts in Albuquerque, New Mexico. The fatal encounter is captured.
Look, man. Why is always going down in Albuquerque? Albuquerque, New Mexico is like one of the most known places I see these body cam footages surface from.
By a body cam, but the man wearing it isn't a police officer. He's a security guard assigned to a Spirit Halloween store.
Mama killed somebody! Why?
The following report is based on official police records, and most of the footage has never been seen before until now. Please note that all persons charged with a crime are presumed innocent unless and until proven guilty in a court of law. On October 16, 2025, a 25-year-old armed security guard named Josiah Armijo is keeping watch at his current post, a Spirit Halloween seasonal costume store that seems to greatly require his services.
Armijo to patrol requesting an 82. Got 5 occupants currently stealing from the store at the Spirit Alpha Parla Indian School. Hey, I caught him concealing it. Hey guys, I need you to leave the store. I need you guys to leave the store. I saw you concealing a shirt, so I need you and your friends to leave. Let's go. Put the hat down, let's go. Put the stuff down. You guys are no longer walking in Spirit, alright? This idiot stuck a shirt in his pants, so I kicked them all out.
Josiah handles the situation, not knowing that he's less than an hour away from a much more serious encounter that will change the course of his life. It begins when a customer's appearance attracts the attention of Josiah and store employees.
That guy asked him if he was good. He's bleeding from his hands.
I know.
He's a crackhead.
I know he is.
Yeah,
You gave him
Smoked
tissue.
out. Nah, he smoked out like.
And see if he wants. I know where he's at. I've been trying to keep an eye on him.
I know, I watched you by the door.
I am. This tripping, bro.
Josiah moves to a position where he can better watch the man, who authorities will later identify as 41-year-old Chase Beltramo. When Chase heads for the front door with items he hasn't purchased, Josiah breaks into a sprint and a chaotic, violent encounter begins.
Get the fuck on your back. Come here. Get the fuck on your stomach. Get the fuck on your...
And this is a security guard, by the way. He's not a cop.
82 in the Carlisle! Don't move! Don't move! You move, I shoot you!
Bruh, you got the belongings. Let him go.
You move, I shoot you!
You already pepper
Get on
sprayed
your
the man,
back.
bro.
Get on your
Josiah's body cam falls to the ground and 3 gunshots ring out.
Shots fired! Officer needs help!
Not an
Shots
officer,
fired! Call the
guard.
cops! Hey, we're coming, please, bro. Hey, take it easy, we're coming, please. Hey, go fire off, back up, bro. You're good, you safe, bro.
It's a shot.
You safe,
Get him aid,
how
get
are
him
you?
aid.
How are you? Me. I'm good. Get to me.
You killed him, bro. He's done.
Josiah reattaches his body cam, but he's a long way from processing what just happened.
He's gonna help.
Son of a...
Nah, don't cry now, man. Look, yeah, as a security guard, I mean, armed or unarmed, aren't they trained to, you know, just de-escalate, not get physical or none of that? I mean, unless it's like a fight or something like that. But if somebody get caught stealing, and then the fact that he got the merchandise back from dude, he stopped him with the merchandise, he could just let the dude run off. You know what I'm saying? Let him run off. It don't matter. Take his picture, hang it up on a wall or whatever. This man got the belongings, still decided he wanted to play cop.
Call 911.
Shut! Who the f is my backup?
You stay down right here. Hey, get the face, bro. Where's dramatic shit?
Right, he didn't even call the police asking for other security guards. The fuck?
Hey, dude, you shot, you hurt, or you ain't shit?
His shots hurt. Shots hurt. Landon has shot someone.
Where'd you shot at?
I had to, bro. I had to.
Determining the truth of that statement will be a job for the Albuquerque Police Department, who are rushing to the scene. In the meantime, Josiah makes another call.
Call mom.
Sit down. There you go. Have a seat, bro. Have a seat. There you go. Go. It's all right, buddy.
Mom, I killed somebody. I had to shoot him. I had to.
You didn't have to. You pepper sprayed him already.
Carlisle. He tried robbing and he was fighting me. He was reaching for my stuff. I had to.
You hear me? You know where you shot him at?
Point blank, bro. Twice.
Point blank where? In the face?
Chest.
Right there.
Where we're trained to do. Where we're trained.
Did you shoot him with a gun?
Yeah, I had to.
Josiah's direct employer is New Mexico Security Services, and soon his co-worker arrives and jumps into action.
Help him.
Help him.
Come on.
Did he attack you?
Huh?
Did he attack you?
And we were starting blows.
Yeah.
I had
What started the situation?
stealing them from the store.
Shoplifting. You tried to stop the shoplifting.
As witnesses try to get the story from Josiah, the first cops arrive.
Still in the shop? Okay.
I'm sorry. Why?
Man, that cop got on some damn black forces. He means
Josiah
business.
is relieved of his body cam, which now records him being placed in handcuffs.
You need the name for now, okay? Can you put name to
By chance?
Yeah, it's real.
Is it? Did you record what happened? Did you record us to the footage? Yeah. They should have a situation. You have a way of.
Yeah.
I need to call my lawyer.
Thank you. We're gonna go in the back of the car, okay?
If there's any way to get that to view it, we'd like.
Yeah, we're gonna have to.
Josiah's body cam will give investigators a clear view of the incident, and soon additional footage will show the deadly confrontation from a very different perspective.
We need Nagas check on you? What's wrong with you?
I feel like passing
You
out.
feel like you're gonna pass out? Okay. Roll your windows down.
So you were fighting with this guy. I don't need too much details. There's more injuries for yourself. But,
I don't know.
okay.
Just happened so quick.
All right. But you said he hit you.
Well, he ran out. He pushed the assistant manager of the. So I came out running.
But you weren't stabbed or anything? No.
No.
Okay.
I tried macing him with OC spray. He started grabbing stuff, so I pulled out my gun and.
Okay. You don't have to tell me any of that stuff.
Medics advise Josiah to keep his breathing calm and controlled, which may be easier said than done.
This is going off TikTok.
As it turns out, that may be the least of Josiah's worries. Despite the efforts of first responders, Chase Beltramo dies in the parking lot from a gunshot wound to the upper torso.
I'm sorry, sir. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to. Forgive me.
You should have never pulled your gun, bro, in the first place. Like I told y'all earlier, man, for the new people on here, bro, the man ran out the store. He grabs him, flings all the stuff over the floor. Let the man go, bro. You didn't have to act like a police officer and be on his back. You maced him already, bro, and you pulled your gun out. You're lying. You want to be a police officer bad, and this is what happened.
The investigation stretches into the night, and as homicide detectives prepare to speak with Josiah, Spirit Halloween representatives have to decide on their next step.
So corporate's directed us to basically stay closed indefinitely.
Indefinitely? Why? They don't have to be indefinite.
You think this store could be open tomorrow?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah. We need our Halloween stuff.
Exactly.
At the station, Josiah tries to get a sense of where this investigation might be going.
Alright.
Did you see the footage of this one?
Yeah, I saw the footage of this one.
Was it like clear or what?
Yeah, like the quality was really good of the video.
What are your thoughts? Because
I can't say my thoughts.
Bro, you
Investigators will have to use witness statements and footage to make their determinations because Josiah has little to say about the incident.
Do you guys record?
We record every incident that we get into.
Okay, good. That's it. I've always found it helpful, to be honest with you.
Yeah.
It falls to your benefit all the time, from my point of view.
It does.
Would you like to talk to us about the evening, this event tonight?
I will, but I have an attorney because we have right to bear.
Okay.
So, but I don't know their number. So anytime they said if we get in a shooting to call them, and they'll help us through the process.
Josiah is referring to a special liability policy he purchased that offers members legal aid if they're involved in a self-defense incident. The detectives agree to help put him in contact with one of the company's lawyers.
I'm an attorney in Colorado with the Right to Bear Network, and from what I hear right now, this is an incident that may or may not be covered by Right to Bear, depending on what the charges are, the outcome, and some additional investigation.
Is your client willing to answer questions with your presence? How would you like us to proceed?
The lawyer explains that Josiah cannot be his client because he's from out of state and not licensed in New Mexico, but he recommends that Josiah be given time to rest and find a local attorney before answering questions. But if a good night's sleep is the key, Josiah's accommodations are perhaps less than ideal.
Good morning. I'm gonna take you out of handcuffs. Or I'm gonna take you out of this one. Go to city glass on if you want.
At Copper VA, you're probably going to be out in like a day or two.
A day or two?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Meaning day could be tomorrow morning. Depends on when the jet sees you. It could be either this morning, which is Friday morning, or Saturday morning. You don't have a huge criminal record. You don't have any of that. All that stuff is not there. So they're most likely going to release you. That's just based off of what the DA believes, not the judge had a whole different aspect of it, okay? But you're being held, you're not held on what's called an open count of murder, or is a general charge, meaning that there's no first degree charges. We don't have a first degree murder. It's going to be second or something below, and then get a hold of an attorney here in town and then work from there, okay?
For now, however, Josiah is taken to the Metropolitan Detention Center. En route, he asks for a small favor.
So I think it's like, it looks like a vape or something?
Yeah.
That can't go with you.
Can I hit it before you toss it away?
I think I can let you do that.
I needed that like all day.
At the jail, the officer not only takes Josiah's vape, but his security patches as well.
I don't know how much people have heard and, who's in there and stuff, so we got people giving issues, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Inside the booking area, issues do indeed materialize, but the anger isn't directed at Josiah.
Come on, bro. Come on, you dick.
What the fuck? Hey, people be tripping.
Yeah, I hate you, pig ass. Go get coffee and a donut. Like you guys like you on Central. No. What's your donut?
Sounds kind of good, actually.
When peace is restored, the officers take a look at some of the first shocking images from tonight's incident at Spirit Halloween.
It's so bad. Oh, that's my guy, 27-1.
Yeah, look at this, y'all. Look at them pictures, gang, and tell me what y'all think. Because from my understanding, man, bro, he was on this man back. He had full control of the situation. And you still took it to the next level, bro. They know he cooked.
These images come from surveillance cameras at the store, one of which provides a new vantage point on the tragic altercation. Right from the moment a store employee intervenes to keep Chase Beltramo from stealing, and only seconds before Josiah rushes in.
Come on, man. Like I said, right there, bro. All the belongings on the floor.
Roughly a minute into the chaos, both men roll out of view. Only seconds later, 3 gunshots bring the confrontation to an end. As dramatic as the footage is, the case soon hits a snag, the first hint of which detectives got when they called Josiah's mother earlier tonight.
You called me on my work phone, and I don't feel comfortable speaking to you on my work phone. How did you get my work number?
We have one of the district attorneys with us, and she was able to work through, they have your guys' information. We do not.
As the detective explains the next day, her employment puts a wrinkle in the prosecution.
Mijo's mother works for the district attorney's office.
Oh, jeez.
Yeah.
Okay.
So,
I didn't actually know that even.
Yeah. So to ensure that there is no complications further in the case, all of this is going to be handed over to an actual attorney in the city that does not work with the district attorney's office.
Does he have any charges against him yet, or?
Yes, we did charge him with second-degree murder last night.
So when we were watching the footage, it looks to be self-defense.
No, it didn't.
Because it looks like the guy had a hacksaw or something that he was trying to hit him with.
The victim, Chase Beltramo, did have previous run-ins with the law, including a 2013 conviction for misdemeanor shoplifting and a 2014 felony conviction for residential burglary. Josiah's fate, however, will not be based on the victim's past, but by what is seen in the footage, including his own body cam recording.
You f***ing move, I shoot you!
When investigators review all the footage and speak to the witnesses on scene, they conclude that Chase Beltramo was not armed at any point in the altercation.
So he doesn't have an expectation of privacy on a camera that is provided to him. They do this for their legal means to be able to say, hey, you did this within our policies. No, you did this with outside our policies. It's the same thing we do with ours. Like if we're recording for the purpose of legal bounds, but it also keeps us within.
It protects everybody.
Yeah, it protects everybody. Yeah. It tells you that the officer was
doing something wrong, or
I mean, to be frank, being an absolute.
The arrest affidavit against 25-year-old Josiah Armijo argues that while he may have had probable cause to stop Chase from shoplifting, Chase seemed to be attempting to flee the scene until Josiah put him in a life-threatening position by pointing a loaded weapon at him.
Don't move! Don't move!
The affidavit also criticizes Josiah's use of pepper spray only inches away from Chase's face. The document concludes, because Josiah didn't have the necessary need for the use of deadly force, he was charged with second-degree murder for the shooting of Chase. Josiah Armijo was released on his own recognizance 2 days after the incident. Court records indicate that he has entered a plea of not guilty. If you'd like to see select new videos...
I don't know, man. I get that though, but the way that this transpired, bro, you got the merchandise, you have it, you know what I'm saying? He chose to do what he did. You're a security guard, not a law enforcement officer. You're a guard, not an officer. Public safety. Well, no, if you're public safety, you're an officer, but he's an armed security guard. And, bro, just look how he did everything. You was on this man's back. You pepper sprayed him only inches away from his face, as if that wasn't enough to disable him. After pepper spraying him, you point a loaded gun to the back of his head and tell him don't move or you will fucking shoot him. The hacksaw that they said was in the video wasn't a hacksaw. It was the fucking handles from the basket that the dude was holding on to. This is just crazy though, man. The security guard, he took it above and beyond. He did too much, and that's why he got where he at. But hey, make sure y'all drop a like, drop a comment down below. Tell me how y'all feel about this certain situation for real. And if you jamming with my content, go ahead and subscribe, gang, and hit that little bell too. Get notified.